What if I told you that two people could build the exact same barndominium, same size, same state, same year, and one person spends $140,000 while the other spends $310,000? Same dream home. Nearly double the price. The difference had nothing to do with luck. It had everything to do with one decision made before a single permit was pulled. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which path makes sense for your budget, your land, and your timeline in 2026. If you are serious about building a barndominium this year, subscribe to this channel right now because we cover affordable home builds, real costs, and honest breakdowns every single week. Hit that like button before you forget, and let us get into it. What we are covering today. Here is exactly what this video is going to walk you through. First, we are going to explain what barndominium kits actually are and what you get when you buy one. Then we are going to break down what a barndominium home builder does and what their pricing really includes. After that, we are going to compare both options side by side across cost, timeline, customization, financing, and risk. Then we are going to name some of the most talked about kit sellers and builders operating in 2026, so you have real names to research. And finally, we are going to tell you who each option is actually right for, because the honest truth is neither one is perfect for everyone. What is a barndominium kit? Let us start at the beginning. A barndominium kit is essentially a prefabricated steel building package that gives you the structural shell of your home. When you order a kit, you are typically getting the steel framing, the roof system, exterior wall panels, doors, windows, and in some cases insulation and fasteners. What you are not getting is a finished home. You are getting the bones. Kit prices in 2026 range widely depending on size and supplier. A basic 1,200 square foot kit can start as low as $18,000 to $28,000. A 2,400 square foot kit from a mid-range supplier typically runs between $45,000 and $75,000. And a large 3,000 to 4,000 square foot kit from a premium supplier can run $90,000 to $130,000 for the kit alone. Those numbers sound incredible until you realize that the kit is only one piece of the puzzle. After the kit, you still need to pay for site preparation and grading, foundation work, which is usually a concrete slab, erection labor if you are not building it yourself, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, insulation, interior framing, drywall, flooring, kitchen and bathroom fixtures, and exterior finish work. When all of that is added in, a complete barndominium built from a kit typically lands between $100 and $175 per square foot in 2026, depending on your location, finish level, and how much of the work you own or build. Who sells barndominium kits in 2026? There are several well-known kit suppliers operating in the United States right now. General Steel Buildings is one of the most established names, offering customizable steel building packages with engineering included for most states. They have been in business for decades and have a reputation for responsive customer service and structural quality. Worldwide Steel Buildings is another major player. They offer barndominium-specific packages and have floor plan options designed specifically for residential use, not just agricultural storage. Their packages often include engineer-stamped drawings, which matters a lot when you go to pull permits. Mueller Buildings operates primarily in Texas and the surrounding southern states, and is known for competitive pricing and relatively fast turnaround times on kit delivery. If you are building in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, or neighboring states, Mueller comes up frequently in builder communities. Arco Building Systems and Morton Buildings also operate in this space, with Morton leaning more premium and offering a more builder-guided experience rather than a pure DIY kit. YouTube. And then there is Rhino Steel Buildings and Ameribuilt Steel, both of which have been growing their residential barndominium lines in 2026 and offer packages aimed specifically at homeowners rather than commercial buyers. When evaluating any kit seller, you need to ask 4 things. Does the price include engineer-stamped drawings for your state? What is the lead time on delivery in 2026? Because supply chain timelines can still stretch 8 to 16 weeks depending on the supplier. Does the kit meet local building codes, particularly for wind and snow load in your region? And what does their warranty cover and for how long? What is a barndominium home builder? Now let us talk about the other option. A barndominium home builder is a general contractor or specialized construction company that handles the entire build process for you. You hire them. They manage the project from foundation to final walkthrough. Some builders use their own steel building packages. Others partner with kit suppliers and source materials separately. What you are paying for with a builder is not just materials. You are paying for project management, subcontractor coordination, permitting assistance, schedule accountability, and the legal protection that comes with a licensed contractor overseeing the build. In many states, if you hire an unlicensed person or pull an owner-builder permit and something goes wrong structurally, your homeowner's insurance may not cover it. That risk is real and worth factoring into your decision. Builder pricing in 2026 for a turnkey barndominium typically ranges from $150 to $250 per square foot in most markets, though in high cost of living states like California, Colorado, and parts of the Northeast, that number can push $280 to $320 per square foot for a finished build. For a 2,000 square foot barndominium with mid-range finishes, you are looking at $300,000 to $500,000 depending on your state and the builder's overhead. Who are the notable barndominium builders in 2026? On the builder side, the landscape is more regional than the kit market. There are very few national barndominium builders. Most operate within a specific state or region. And that is actually how it should be because construction costs, code requirements, and subcontractor availability vary dramatically by location. Some of the most talked about builders in the barndominium community right now include Texas Barndominiums, run by Eric Cortina, which operates primarily in Texas and has built a strong reputation for turnkey builds with strong transparency around pricing. Midsouth Barndominiums is another major name in the South and has become one of the most recognized regional turnkey builders for homeowners looking for a done-for-you experience in that market. DC Structures, based in Oregon, is known for high-quality timber frame and post and beam hybrid barndominiums and ships packages nationwide, though their builds tend to be on the premium end. Shugart Homes in Georgia and the Southeast has been producing affordable barndominium builds and has received strong community feedback for transparency around costs. And in the Midwest, companies like Raber Buildings in Ohio and Indiana have been active in the barndominium residential space with competitive pricing. It is worth noting that barndominium builders specifically are still a fragmented market in 2026. Many general contractors now take on barndominium projects, but not all of them have specific experience with steel shell builds, spray foam insulation requirements, or the unique HVAC challenges that come with open concept metal buildings. Always ask a builder how many barndominiums specifically they have completed and ask to speak with past clients. Kit versus builder, the real comparison. Let us put both options side by side honestly. On total cost, kits win on paper, but the gap narrows in reality. If you are owner building and managing your own subcontractors, a kit build can come in significantly cheaper. But if you are hiring someone to erect the kit and then managing all the subsequent trades yourself with no construction experience, cost overruns and mistakes can eat into that savings fast. Builders cost more upfront, but often deliver a more predictable final number. On timeline, builders typically complete a barndominium in 8 to 14 months from contract to move in 2026. A kit build where you are acting as your own general contractor and hiring subcontractors full-time can also land in that 10 to 14-month window. But if you are working a 9-to-5 job and only building on weekends, a kit build can easily drag out to 2 or 3 years. Be completely honest with yourself about how much time you can realistically commit before you choose this path. On customization, kits offer more flexibility in the early planning stages because you are designing your layout before anything is built. Builders offer customization too, but within their systems and processes. If you have a very specific or unusual floor plan vision, a kit combined with a talented local designer often gives you more control. On financing, this is where many barndominium hopefuls get surprised. Traditional mortgage lenders do not finance a partially built home. If you are doing a kit build in stages, you will likely need a construction loan, and those require more documentation, higher credit scores, and often a larger down payment than conventional loans. Builders who offer construction to permanent loan programs can sometimes streamline this process. In 2026, lenders like Farm Credit Services, local credit unions, and some regional banks have become more barndominium friendly. But you still need to do your homework before you buy land and sign any contracts. On resale value and appraisal, this is an honest conversation that many videos skip. Barndominiums still face appraisal challenges in some markets, and the biggest reason is not what most people think. It is not just about permits. It is about comparable sales. Appraisers look for other barndominiums that have sold within a 5 to 10 mile radius in the past year. If there are none in your county, the appraiser may value your home strictly as an agricultural building or default to a standard stick-built comparison, which can leave a massive gap between what you spent and what the bank will lend against it. Before you commit to a piece of land, research whether barndominiums have sold in that specific county recently. That one step could save you from a financing nightmare after the build is done. The hidden costs nobody talks about. Whether you go kit or builder, there are costs that catch people off guard in 2026, and you need to know about them before you commit. Land clearing and site prep can run $5,000 to $30,000 depending on how raw the land is. A concrete slab for a 2,000 square foot barndominium typically costs $15,000 to $35,000 in 2026, depending on your region and thickness requirements. Spray foam insulation, which is the most effective option for metal buildings because fiberglass performs poorly in steel shells due to condensation problems, costs $3 to $7 per square foot installed. Budget $6,000 to $14,000 for a 2,000 square foot build and treat this as a non-negotiable line item. Septic installation, if you are not on a municipal sewer line, can run $8,000 to $20,000. Well drilling, if you are not on city water, can be another $8,000 to $25,000, depending on depth. And utility connections, including electrical service from the road, propane tanks, or any other infrastructure, can add another $5,000 to $15,000, depending on how remote your land is. These costs apply whether you bought a kit or hired a builder, and they are often not included in the per square foot numbers you see advertised. Always get a full site cost estimate before you finalize your budget. Who should buy a kit? A barndominium kit makes the most sense for you if you have genuine construction experience or a trusted network of tradespeople who can manage the build. If you have flexibility on your timeline and are not in a hurry to move in. If your primary goal is maximizing square footage for the lowest possible cost. If you are comfortable managing multiple contractors and the administrative side of a build. And if you are building in a rural area with flexible code enforcement where owner building is legally permitted and commonly accepted. Who should hire a builder? A barndominium builder makes the most sense for you if this is your first major construction project and you have no construction background. If you need to move in within a specific window of time. If you are financing the build and need a licensed contractor for loan approval. If you are building in a jurisdiction with strict permitting and inspection requirements. Or if you simply want the accountability and warranty protection that comes with a professional contractor. The honest verdict. Here is the truth that most content in this space dances around. Neither option is inherently better. The kit is not automatically cheaper when you account for all the costs honestly, and a builder is not automatically a ripoff when you account for what you are actually getting. The right choice depends entirely on your skills, your budget structure, your timeline, your land situation, and your risk tolerance. What will save you the most money regardless of which path you choose is doing thorough research before you spend a dollar, getting multiple quotes on both kits and builders in your specific market, understanding your total project cost including land, site prep, utilities, and finishes before you commit, and being honest with yourself about what you can realistically manage. If this video gave you a clearer picture of what is actually involved in a barndominium build in 2026, do this right now. Subscribe to Affordable Homes and Plans because we publish real, research-backed breakdowns on affordable home construction every single week. Drop a comment below telling us whether you are leaning toward a kit or a builder, and why. We read every single comment, and it helps us make better content for you. If you want to go deeper, check out our barndominium cost breakdown video linked right here. That one will walk you through a real budget from land purchase to move-in day. We will see you in the next one.